Good day, class! Before we start, let's bow our head. Amen. Good day again, my dear grade 3 students. How are you today? Okay, very good. So for our checking attendance, say presence if you are here. Okay, now let's review what is all about our past lesson. Okay, very good. Okay, right now we will be having a game. Our game is entitled Take Me from the Box and Imitate Me. Okay, form 3 groups. Imitate the sounds of different pictures from the box. The groups that gets the most number of correct answers win. Okay, for your activity, direction, put check if the sounds is soft or loud. Okay, now, based on the activity, what are the sounds is soft and what are the sound is loud? Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our topic. So, our topic is all about soft and loud sounds. So, when we say sound, it is the types of vibrating pressure that is transmitted in waves. The volume of a sound is directly determined by the amplitude of the sound's waves, which is the height of a sound's wave. The amplitude and volume of a sound increases identify the sounds if loud and soft. Write in a short bond paper.